Now let's talk about exponential growth and decay. The formula I will use for exponential growth and decay, simply I use the future value is equal to the present value times 1 plus r over 100 to the power of n. The same thing we have, fv in this case is the future value, pv is the present value, r is the rate, and I have n to be the number of years. If it was an exponential growth, if it was a growth, then r is positive. The rate is positive. If it was a decay, which it means a decrease in value, then the value of r is negative. Let's see an example now. Ahmed paid $40,000 for a new car. The car price depreciates at a rate of 10% per annum. Depreciates, it means it decreases. Depreciates, it means decreases. At a rate of 10% per annum. Find the value of the car after 10 years. So now, since it decreases, this rate must be in negative. So R is equal to negative 10%. So now let's find the future value. The future value is equal to the present value, which is 40,000, times 1 minus. Why it's a minus? Because there is depreciation in value. It depreciates. Minus the 10 over 100 to the power of 6. And now go to graphical display calculator to the run matrix. I have 40,000 times 1 minus the 10 over 100, all of it to the power of 6. So this will give me, if I round to 3 significant figures, $21,300. So the future value is $21,300.